How have you seen God work within Orchard Kids?
OC Kids is a powerful place right now of kids finding Jesus. And I believe that it's so powerful because pouring into the next generation is powerful.
How have you seen God at work through student ministry?
The more and more I read God's word, the more and more I see his heart for the next generation. And the reality is there's this expectation from God that we are supposed to be intentional about building up the next generation.
Not just with our own children, but with all of the next generation. If we are not actively leading them to Christ, we're hindering them. Statistics show that 43% of believers come to faith before the age of 12.
That's huge.
Elementary, that is before sixth grade. That is our classrooms back there every single weekend. So what we do in our homes for those of us who are parents and what we do in our birth through fifth grade classrooms is foundational and has eternal impact for our kids.
And there really isn't a lot of churches that are experiencing such a high volume of students engaged in serving. It's unique what's happening, and it's a miracle what's happening, but at the same time, it doesn't happen by accident. And so, Orchard has done a really good job of leaning into the next generation and equipping the next generation to give them the opportunities to do that, and we're seeing the fruit of that.